Okay, we have another example is i-evaluate lang natin ito. So 1 minus 2 over x such that x is equal to 5. So i-substitute natin yung value ng x. So that is 1 over 2 over 5. So magiging ganyan siya. This equals to 1 minus, so equals multiply natin yan punta doon. So ang answer dyan is 1 times 5 tapos minus 2 all over, ito siya, 5. Ganun lang yun siya kasimple. Tapos 1 times 5 is 5 minus ito siya 2 over 5. So therefore, ang final answer natin dyan is 3 over 5. Tama? Okay, dito tayo sa number 2. We have 2 minus 2 third y. So substitute natin yung 2. So ang 2 is 2 third times 2. That is equals to 2 minus, ito siya, diretso na ito. Ganyan lang yan siya, 2 times 2 over 3. Ganun lang yan siya kasimple pag solve. Same way dito, nakita natin ang value ng y which is 2. So that is equals to, i-copy lang natin yung sa first, 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. Okay, so 2 minus 4 over 3 is, i-multiply lang natin yan sa dyan. So magiging 2 times 3 minus 4 over 3. Lahat yan all over 3. So that is 6 minus 4 over 3. So that is 2 over 3. Tama? Tama. Thanks for watching.